Something is there, something unnatural.
The children have said that after she died, we stayed with the dead body for many days. We did not want to let her go and things like that.
We all have grown up listening to horror stories. Well, in my late 20s also, I still get fascinated by these stories. And that's why I'm here at the Haunted Heritage Walk, which has been organized by the Delhi government. Shh. Let's go. Before the walk, the Delhi Tourism Department gave us a manual, postcard, a band, a badge, and a kit bag to beat the heat.
हमने वो 9:30 बजे क्यों नहीं कर सकते?
रात को 9:30.
Forest and lots of.
So we can't. I don't think we can get permission beyond 7 o'clock,
Never.
right? So we are in the middle of this place called Delhi Ridge, and we are going to go to a place called Malcha Mahal.
I joined in on one such heritage walk to Malcha Mahal with my camera. The story of this monument is a heady mix of facts, myths, and local beliefs. Built in the 14th century by Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Malcha Mahal initially served as a hunting lodge until the 1980s when the property was assigned to a mysterious family.
The occupants of this place for about good 30-35 years was the self-proclaimed Queen of Awadh. So she was Vilayat Mahal, and she claimed that she was a descendant of the last Nawab of Awadh, who was Wajid Ali Shah. A claim which was obviously debunked not only by the historians but also the actual descendants of the Nawab who ended up in Kolkata. So these are the children. That's Prince Cyrus. He used to call himself Cyrus. He was actually Prince Ali Raza, and that's the sister, Princess Sakina.
Begum Vilayat Mahal was offered Malcha Mahal by the Indian government as her new residence in 1984. As we walked towards the Mahal, our walk conductor filled us in on the alleged idiosyncrasies of the family.
She gave it a standing instruction that she should be only called Her Royal Highness. In fact, she instructed her children also to call her Her Royal Highness. There were many bloodhounds that they carried here, and ये सारे यहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी के तौर पे वो छोड़ देते थे. कोई भी इंट्रूडर होता था तो उस पर वो अटैक कर देते थे. ये जो विलायत महल थी, इन्होंने 1993 में खुदकुशी कर ली. She killed herself. So Sakina, Princess Sakina and Prince Cyrus ने बाद में रिवील की कि उन्होंने तो क्रश डायमंड्स और पर्ल्स खा लिए और उन्होंने अपनी जान दे दी. When the NYT news correspondent asked them these uncomfortable questions, there were no answers. Why a diamond? Who would crush the diamond? Why this, that? So many questions. The prince evaded them.
The place was like it used to be like this only.
It was
नहीं,
always
बियाबान
spooky.
था ऐसा ही.
बिल्कुल ऐसे.
अच्छा.
बियाबान था. This is exactly the place where the prince was standing and getting himself licked with these dogs. And this is also the place where the dining table used to be there. There are old pictures where the dining table is here, and there are carpets all over. There were जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं ना जंगले थे, लोहे के जंगले. Grills थी यहाँ पे, लोहे की grills लगवा दी थी ताकि these foxes and these other things don't enter. But what is very, very curious is that they did not have any basic amenities, no running water, no electricity, and they stayed here for 35 years. That makes us even more strange.
Water connection and
Water connection नहीं है, कहीं भी नहीं है.
यहाँ पास में नदी या कुछ ऐसे
नहीं.
कुछ भी नहीं है.
You can also have a look at these. These nails have been hammered into it. So कुछ type के पर्दे लगाए हुए होंगे. Some sort of curtain, some sort of makeshift thing. The entire wall is blackened. It looks like there was a makeshift kitchen over here. There's a makeshift bathroom here. ये जो बुढ़ापे का फोटो है इनका, इसमें एक बाथ टब साइड में दिख रहा है, आप देखेंगे. I've just done this. This looks like this place only. In that corner. You know, he died mysteriously on one fine day in 2017. at night it has been seen that the queen Vilayat Mahal, she used to, in the middle of the night, she used to be seen standing with her very tall and strange looking woman in the middle of the night standing on the roof of Malcha Mahal. So that sort of an aura and that image and this kind of very strange behavior and mannerisms contributed to that legend and the myth. Some people heard the sound of anklets over here. One day I also, by the way, heard the sound of anklets over here. The children have said that after she died, we stayed with the dead body for many days. We did not want to let her go and things like that.
फीलिंग ऑफ हॉरर वो वाली वो है नहीं अभी. मेरे को तो बिल्कुल लग रहा था रात को 9:30 बजे एटलीस्ट निकलना चाहिए. एंड दिस वुड हैव बीन रियली क्रीपी देन.
I read about this in the newspaper, and then the fact that this is in the wilderness, so I think that adds to the charm.
आप अकेले रोम कर रहे हो और आपको कुछ ऐसा एहसास हुआ, आप क्या करोगे सबसे?
मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा, फिर वो करेगा वही करेगा.
Throughout the walk, I was with my crew, I was with the crowd over there. But right now, I'm walking alone here. There's no one behind me. And when I see, obviously, there's this spooky, there's this hollow feel to it. And like one guide said, Atulji, that if in winters we were to conduct such walks, the scenario would have been very different. Because at this hour, it would have been dark. It would have been foggy, and the whole place would have a mystic vibe altogether. So yeah, that was the walk, guys.